Okay. I don't know if I can show the line. It's all the way back there by the sanctuary now. All the way back around. Oh my gosh. Busy. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Why not? Oh, it's time to go. Come on, it's time to go. Come on, let's go get some eggs. Hold my hand. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Keep running, keep running. Grab an egg. Get an egg, Zay. Pick up an egg. Pick up an egg. Pick it up. Pick it up and put it in your bucket. Pick it up. Zay, you stepped on it. Pick it up, put it in your bucket. Pick it up.
Oh, I'm sorry. Put them in the bag.
Pick it up. All right, keep going. There's one. You stepped on it. There's one. Keep going. There's one. All right, you gotta move because they go fast. Run. There's one. Pick it up. Pick it up, Michael. Come on, Zay. There's... Come on, you gotta pick him up. Okay, come on.
She's not grabbing no more eggs.
I don't think it's all. We gotta run. There's some. Go, go, go. There's some. Pick it up. Pick it up. All right, good job. Good job. Good job, Mrs. How did it go, Zay? You got a lot of eggs there. Hi. Hey, you're so focused. Can I see your eggs? Zay, you did a good job. Can I see your Zay? Zay, can I see your eggs? Oh, wow.
A lot of kids.
You did good for that mad dash.
The kids that have a lot of eggs are going over there and to get more eggs. But she said if you don't.
How was the Easter egg hunt, Ziza? Oh. Just because they don't have gummy bears in them don't mean they aren't good. I had fun.